In the heart of the historical city of Larkana stood the Municipal Cricket Stadium, a testament to the spirit of cricket in Sindh. Once envisioned as a beacon for aspiring cricketers, it now stood incomplete after 17 long years. Its unfinished structure mirrored the unfulfilled promises and neglect from the local government and sports department. The stadium, nestled amidst the rich heritage of the Pakistan People's Party, echoed with the legacy of leaders who had championed the dreams of the people. However, despite its historical significance, the ground lay desolate, its potential stifled by the layers of neglect and disrepair. Within its half-built stands, the echoes of cheers and the laughter of aspiring cricketers had faded into the background. The patches of completed areas were a stark contrast to the surrounding filth and neglect, symbolizing the unfulfilled potential and aspirations of the local cricketing community. The lack of maintenance and care rendered the ground unsuitable for practice or matches. The once promising hub for nurturing cricket talent now stood as a poignant symbol of why cricket in Sindh struggled to thrive. The young talents, deprived of a proper ground and facilities, found their dreams dashed against the apathy of those responsible. Despite the political landscape and the ruling party's stronghold in the province, the stadium's plight remained unchanged, a haunting reminder of unfulfilled promises and untapped potential. Until the day the echoes of cricketing enthusiasm were once again heard, the fate of Sindh's cricket would remain shackled by the neglect of its once promising grounds. Generations had passed, echoing the fervor and enthusiasm that once echoed through the town. The local youth, their hearts brimming with a passion for the game, held this ground dear. Yet, the cricket field remained incomplete, trapped in the clutches of stalled progress and forgotten promises. Frustrated but undeterred, the people of Larkana united in a chorus of demands to the local government, the sports department, and the Pakistan Cricket Board. Their voices echoed through the streets, reverberating with determination to see their beloved ground brought to life. The youth, armed with cricket bats and unwavering resolve, staged peaceful protests, showcasing their talent amidst the unfinished pitches. Their message was clear: the completion of this ground wasn't just about a field, it was about nurturing dreams, fostering talent, and uplifting a community. As the rallying cry grew louder, so did the echoes of hope. The local government, spurred by the passion of its people, and the Pakistan Cricket Board, moved with renewed purpose. Funds were allocated, blueprints revised, and promises turned into action. Brick by brick, the ground began to take shape. The cracks in the infrastructure were filled, the grass meticulously tended to, and the facilities upgraded to international standards. Slowly but steadily, the dreams that lay dormant for years began to stir once again. With the completion of the ground, a new chapter unfolded. The youth of Larkana found themselves stepping onto a field that symbolized not just a game but a testament to their resilience. Tournaments flourished, talents were honed, and aspirations soared higher than ever before. The ground that was once a symbol of neglect now stood as a beacon of hope, a testament to what unity, perseverance, and a shared passion could achieve. The people of Larkana and its youth rejoiced, knowing that the collective voice had not just resuscitated a cricket ground but had revitalized a community's spirit.